All right, thanks a lot, Derek. Now, even with the low risk of Ebola, every precaution was taken tonight to ensure the safety of first responders.
Now, Local 15's Andrea Ramey continues our team coverage tonight. Andrea, tell us how first responders handled the situation.
That's right. Every precaution was taken tonight for these first responders. Hazmat crews, Engine 15, responded to the Mobile County Health Department this afternoon. It was actually paramedics from Rescue 1 who rode with this patient in the back of the ambulance as she was transported here to USA Medical Center. Now, the protocol for these first responders, they layer up. They wear their splash suits. They put double layers of gloves on, and they wear self-contained breathing apparatuses. They actually bring in their own air in these situations, even though Ebola is not an airborne disease. They put what's called an N95 mask on the patient, which keeps any kind of dangerous particulates out. They also bandage any open wounds they may see on this patient and wrap that patient up in a blanket. And those are some of the precautions that these first responders took this evening. After that patient is offloaded, they then decontaminate the ambulance with a mixture of bleach and water. And tonight we actually saw some of these first responders tape up the back of the ambulance so that you could not open or close that door. Now, because of the scare this evening and all the commotion that was happening at the ER, the hospital actually turned away or shut down the ER to new patients tonight. And we spoke with a patient earlier who said he had to go elsewhere.
I was in the emergency within the last 10 minutes, and I was turned away, told that they wasn't taking patients. And they were sending them to other, hospital here within the Mobile area. So I'm like, kind of scared me there. But, I saw the newscast, and I assume her report is true, so.
And of course, he says he absolutely understood why the hospital had to do what it did this evening. We should mention also that the Mobile Police Department assisted tonight with the transportation of this patient. They provided a traffic detail to ensure that this patient arrived safely here at the hospital tonight. Greg and Kim.
Andrea, thanks. Now, Steve.